We have another Jaguar lock here. Basically, let me look at this paper. It's going to be a 2003 Jaguar XJ8 V8. Basically, customer wants us to make a key to this. They sent us a brand new key and the lock. They bought this used lock, so they want us to cut this key to this lock. So we'll come back with the key cut. Alright, we're done with this lock. Customer called. They wanted us to make them a regular key. This one has a chip in it. This one does not. The locksmith on their end, whoever's going to do the program, is going to add the chip to the second key. As you see, key 1 works. Key 2. So basically, we didn't recombinate the lock. We just made whatever the existing key is. So you need my help, give me a call. I'll tell you what you need to send me, how much it's going to cost, how long it's going to take. And that's about it. I'll go to the website, www.acmlocksmithgroup.com.